Wait, what? Yo, what up, YouTube? Good morning, everybody. I've got the day off, so y'all already know I'm going to try to cover as many videos as I can. That being said, man, we back to covering my man Dimash, Kudai Bergenov, if I'm not mistaken. This is episode 12 of his stint on The Singer. He's going to be singing Confessa and The Diva Dance, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not familiar with the music, but I am familiar with my man Dimash, and I already know, I'm calling it right now, he's gonna kill it. So without further ado, let's go and get straight to the video. Here he is, right here, right now. Let's go. Whoa. I think this is the lowest we've ever heard him.
Perché tu sei un'altra donna, ma perché tu non sei più tu, che mai fate del nostro bene.
He's got great control even at the lower end.
Vedo il brivido delle nostre cene. Scendo ormai irrecuperabili, io non sono più il tuo pensiero, non sono più il tuo amore vero.
Is he singing in Italian?
Sono il dolce confondo amaro che non mangi più. Ma perché tu sei un'altra donna? Ma perché?
Is he gonna dance?
Non sei più tu, ma perché donna detto prima chi non ama non sarà amato mai.
Even at the lower end, he's got such a full voice.
La sera e il ricordo pian piano scompare, le tue spese nel cuore a pianotro più grande del mare, più grande del mare.
Man, it's so easy for him to transition into, wow. So dynamic, so dynamic. Starts at the low end, doesn't even gradually rise. He just starts up top and then he comes back down. Now he's gonna dance too? Is that what he's gonna do? This isn't right. He makes this look way too easy. See, how do you... still competing. Oh, he fell. He really fell on his back. He really fell on his back. Wow.
Bravo.
Bravo indeed. There goes his monitor. Shut up. Man, okay. Okay, see, I'm at a point now, I think I'm... Sorry, it auto-played, I gotta backtrack. I think I'm at a point now in covering Dimash where I'm not too much surprised as I am appreciative of what he does. I know, as far as vocals go, this guy is on another level. He really is just a freak talent. You know what I mean? I don't know how you, yeah. You know what I mean? I like, what I like about this, excuse me, what I like about this showcase, or this song, is that it showcased different facets to his vocal prowess. I know a lot of times he builds up, or he maintains a steady pace and then builds up and then goes off, you know what I mean? And this time he started really slow and low. And I like that, you know what I mean? Because it shows that, again, it just shows a different face, not a different face, but a different dynamic to his voice, you know what I mean? Even at the lower end, at the lower levels, he's still solid. He still has a full, well-rounded voice. And then it's crazy to think that he goes from so low to so high without an in-between, without, you know, just ramping it up little by little or working his way up. He literally went from low to high, you know what I mean? Just like that, just pulled it out of his back pocket. And then he went from high to low, like, excuse me, like nothing. And then in the second song, he basically showcased what he's been doing throughout the competition. He started really solid. Started at a great pace, and then he just went up into his whistle. I don't even know if it's a whistle at this point, because some of this is just sounding too natural. Some of these high notes are sounding too natural. You know what I mean? The dude's a freak. Vocally speaking, the dude's a freak, and he just dances with it. You know what I mean? And then at the end, a nice little kick, falls back, very dramatic, and it's just, the crowd's eating it up. I love it. I love it, man. One of the things, I spat. One of the things that I like about this guy is the majority of this music I wouldn't be listening to, like in the radio or at home or casually, like while studying or working. But the guy is so amazing. He's such a great talent that, you know, I can still appreciate it. You know what I mean? Even though this is, again, I wouldn't regularly listen to most of this music, I can still appreciate the skill that goes behind these songs. You know what I mean? Singing these songs. And it just goes to show that his talent, his vocal acrobatics, his ability to sing is transcendent, regardless of what, you know, genre people are into or what kind of style people are into. I think he is a talent that everybody can appreciate. Yeah, that being said, let me know what y'all think down in the comments below. If you haven't yet, make sure you add me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. Links are in the description. And I will catch y'all later. I hope y'all have a great day. Y'all have a good one. Take care. Peace.